Good evening, friends. Welcome to Mathwood YouTube channel. Today I am here to discuss with you about some questions which comes in SSC, CGL, and many other banking exams, which are of counting the number of boxes in a figure, or counting the number of squares, counting the number of rectangles. So today we are here to discuss the how to count the number of square boxes in a figure. Counting the number of boxes in a figure can be seems very easy, but it's not that easy, because in exam you have limited amount of time and you need to solve the question very quickly in less than 2 seconds. So can you judge how many boxes are there in a figure? If you'll count one by one, then it may take a lot of time, and which is not the way to solve the paper. So we have some formula for it, that how to solve the question in SSC CGL exam. First of all, write the number of boxes in a row and number of boxes in a column. That is, you have to know that the main box is of how many into how many, means it is of 3 into 3 boxes, or 4 into 4 boxes, or 5 into 5 boxes. If the number of boxes in row and column are equal, then there is a simple formula. First, start from 1 square roots, add the 2 square, add 3 square, up to which the number of boxes are there in row and column. Here we have up to 3 only, so we'll add up to 3 square, and we'll count the number of boxes 14. So check total number of boxes: 1 2 3 4 and 5 and 6, the bigger box, plus the 9 small square boxes are 14. Now we have to have the question in which the number of boxes in row and column are not equal, and we cannot apply the formula of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square in this question. So here we have some different formula. We'll start by m into n. M means number of boxes in row, n means number of boxes in a column. So we'll keep on decreasing 1 each time, means number of boxes in row are 4, number of boxes in column are 3. So first is m into 3, m into n, that is 4 into 3. Next we have plus m minus 1, means 4 minus 1, into n minus 1, means 3 minus 1. So we'll write 3 into 2. Next we have m minus 2 minus n minus 2. M minus 2 means 4 minus 2 into 1, plus last one 1 into 0. We have to keep on writing until we have the 0 at last, or 1 at last. So the answer is 20. Easy.